I'm feeling really happy today. Hi everyone, the word of the day is felicidad. Felicidad. This means happiness. Felicidad is feminine, so you can say la felicidad or una felicidad. This word doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. Me da mucha felicidad el verte de nuevo. Me da mucha felicidad el verte de nuevo. La vida está llena de felicidad. La vida está llena de felicidad. La noticia me dio una gran felicidad. La noticia me dio una gran felicidad. Okay, that was the word of the day. Feel free to leave me more examples down below. And don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!